In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record invoices as paid in QuickBooks Online. Managing your invoices effectively is crucial for maintaining accurate financial records and ensuring your books are up to date. Whether you're a small business owner or an accountant, mastering this process will help you keep track of incoming payments efficiently. Let's dive right in. To start, direct your attention to the left panel of your QuickBooks Online dashboard. Here, you'll see a number of options that are crucial for various accounting tasks. Look for the option labeled Sales and click on it. This section is dedicated to all your sales-related activities, including tracking invoices, payments, and sales receipts. Once inside the Sales section, shift your focus to the Invoices tab. This tab is your one-stop hub for managing all things related to invoices, from creating new ones to tracking the status of those that are outstanding. Now, let's move on to recording a payment for a specific invoice. First, find the invoice that you're looking to record as paid. Once located, you'll see an option to receive payment. Clicking on Receive Payment opens up a window where you'll input the details of the payment you've received. This could be any payment that has recently come in from a client or customer for the invoice in question. When entering the details, make sure you're as accurate as possible to ensure your records remain precise. This involves inputting the amount received, the payment method, whether it's a check, bank transfer, or any other method, and the deposit to account. You may also have additional fields like the date of payment and reference number, depending on your settings. Take the time to double-check each entry. Accurate details mean your accounts will match what you see in your bank statement, helping you avoid discrepancies down the line. Once your payment details are filled in, it's time to finalize the process. Click Save and Close. This action records the payment and updates the invoice status within QuickBooks Online to reflect that it has been paid. You'll notice that this simple step helps keep everything neat and organized. And there you have it. With just these few straightforward steps, you've successfully recorded an invoice as paid in QuickBooks Online. It not only saves time, but also ensures your financial records remain up to date and accurate. Properly recording payments as soon as you receive them can significantly simplify your bookkeeping tasks. By maintaining these accurate records, you can focus more on running your business and less on sorting out financial discrepancies. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial easy to follow. If you have any questions, feel free to explore more of our tutorials for answers. Until the next video, keep those books balanced.